Hey everybody, today in this video we're making air fryer spicy cumin chicken drumsticks. Let's begin. We have here some chicken drumsticks from Costco. We're going to put this aside and let's prepare the seasoning. We'll need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and lastly 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Take all the seasoning and mix it all together. Okay, it's looking good. We're going to put the seasoning to the side. And now let's open up the bag of chicken drumsticks. We have here 5 chicken drumsticks. We're going to put it into the seasoning. Take the chicken and mix it in with the seasoning. Okay, all the seasoning is nicely mixed in with the chicken drumsticks. Next, we're going to spray some cooking oil onto the chicken drumsticks. Make sure to get both sides. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, we're going to preheat the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, the air fryer is fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the chicken drumsticks. There we go. Make sure they're nicely spaced out. Let's put them in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far at 400 degrees. Let's flip them over. Looking good. Smells good. There you go. Okay, let's put it in for the last 10 minutes at 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Looking good. Let's take them out. Let's check the temperature real quick. It's well above 165 degrees and we're set. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer spicy cumin chicken drumsticks. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.